your WCBI First Alert AccuWeather forecast on CW4 with Chief Meteorologist Keith Gibson.
It is so nice to see you on this Sunday evening. A lot of stuff to talk about, and it's actually winter related. But first, our time lapse from Louisville, Mississippi shows those incoming clouds this afternoon. At least we had a little bit of sunshine earlier today at Durham's Pharmacy 2 in West Alabama. Clouds coming on in, but it was always nice to see a few peaks of the sun. Now, here's the situation. Our live radar now zooming on in towards Kosciuszko, Louisville, Winona. There's some moisture coming our way. Some of this may or may not be reaching the ground. There could be a few sprinkles or some light snow starting to develop across our southwestern counties. Some steadier snow, especially down here from Vicksburg to Natchez, that deep blue right there. That's where some of the heaviest snow is falling in the state of Mississippi right now. This is a live view from Jackson. You can see some of that light snow falling there, and that is what is coming our way. Now, here's the big picture. The snow is really ongoing in Louisiana, eastern Texas. Deep moisture coming our way. That pink line right here, that's the freezing line, the surface freezing line. So most spots here locally are still at or above freezing, but we can still get snow with temperatures above freezing, gradually cooling things down with the snow coming on in. We will say wintry mix later tonight. There could be a little bit of sleet mixed in with this too, down to around freezing. So that is tonight. Now, a lot of the activity will start to wind down by midday tomorrow. By noon, 36 degrees, still mostly cloudy. And by the afternoon, upper 30s, a lot of cloud cover, but the system is done. This is really an overnight and Monday morning event. Montgomery, Carroll, Attala, Leake counties, a winter storm warning for tonight and tomorrow morning. The rest of these shaded areas, that winter weather advisory for lesser amounts of frozen precipitation. So we're thinking snow and or sleet, the medium category as far as impacts. Now, wherever the heaviest snow bands actually set up, that's where we could have some travel issues. So many spots probably won't have any travel issues, but heavier precip rates over some less traveled roads could cause some slushy spots on some of those highways out there. We haven't really budged our sleet or snow forecast here in this blue area, Golden Triangle area back to the west and southwest, 1 to 2, maybe locally 3 or 4. This is heavy wet snow, a great looking snow. When you see it, it's going to stick to everything. So that's where the heaviest snow is going to be. In the whiter areas, there could be a coating or less here. So some of you will get a decent little snow out of this, some of you will not. Temperatures right now. Low 30s to mid 30s to even upper 30s as of 9:20. So that's not really conducive to a lot of snow actually sticking to the roadways, but it's still cold enough to get some of that snow to stick to the trees, the grass, what have you. So the snow will come on in. Look at this. Later tonight, there could be a little bit of sleet mixed on in there. And then a lot of this is really going to start to wind down by midday and into tomorrow afternoon. A lot of cloud cover, yes, temperatures in the upper 30s on the back side of this. Now, that system goes away tomorrow night. We'll clear things out. And we may have some black ice issues with some residual moisture, with temperatures dipping down below freezing on Tuesday morning. But we're in the sunshine Tuesday afternoon, back into the upper 40s. Let's talk about your road pavement temperatures. Now, these are surface pavement temperature forecasts as we go throughout the course of the night. Notice how they are at or above freezing. Could be a little bit colder on those bridges, but still in general, the road surfaces should be just warm enough to really kick things off as more liquid than frozen tonight. And that's certainly good news. We just don't need to have any widespread issues here. But if those heavier snow bands find your area, it could be a little bit different. So when in doubt, slow down. As the system moves on through, high pressure comes on in and really gives us some nice weather for the middle of the week, a little bit warmer too. Here's your AccuWeather 7-day forecast. Wintry weather tonight and really tomorrow morning. The system winds down tomorrow afternoon. 49, more sun on Tuesday. 53 Wednesday, around 60 Thursday. But another shot of cooler air for Friday and next weekend.